what's up mga gaino? Na ako diri sa may shrimp and silog, diri sa may padung MACTAN. Nalapit sila sa TONYOS. So, check na to ilang foods diri kung nindot ba. Huwag lami. So, let's go! Ang shrimp and silog kay usa ka breakfast and brunch restaurant na located sa QUEZON National Highway, LAPU-LAPU City.
Hello, my name is Roy. I'm the General Manager for Operations here at Shrimp and Silog. Formerly, this was owned by Madeline Arenas. She's a DJ in Cebu City, a very famous one. She started this establishment around 2014.
Kay bao ba mo na ang motto nila kay good food doesn't have to be expensive. Kay ilang mga pagkaon pang budget meal kaayo. Kung nangita mo og painit sa inyong mga tiyan, nasad sila'y batchoy na swak sa budget.
Well, here at Shrimp and Silog, we cater almost all kinds of dish like seafood, meat, soups, you name it. This is an all-day breakfast diner. So we cater to almost all kinds of breakfast meals, including, of course, with those desserts like pancakes, waffles.
Kung hilig pud mo og sizzling foods, napod sila ika-offer ang ilang sizzling pork chop, sizzling sisig, ug ang ilang finest na sizzling Hungarian. So aron magaya ato tilawan ang iyang the best Cajun shrimp. One of the best sellers nga dili. Hilig kita. Lami. Lami. So di lang kumurate yun, no? Kaya kamo lang diri sa shrimp and silog. Diri sa may TONYOS at bang sa TONYOS lang.
Sabi ko, Lindo, stop!
Yeah, guys, so I would like to invite you to come here and visit us so that you can taste our food. We also serve hard liquor drinks for people that are fond of drinking especially during the early mornings. And yeah, our breakfast meals are a hit, especially the shrimps. We are located just along QUEZON Highway, just before Bigfoot, across TONYOS Reservoir, and besides Calda Pizza. You could also visit our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/shrimpsilog.
So karon mga gayon, lami juga ilang Cajun shrimp. So karon busog na jugay ko. So thank you Heather. Thank you sa guys sa pagpatilaw. O stay tuned lang sa next vlog na to. Asa na punta magsamok-samok. Karon gisamok na ko si Sarah pod. So asa na punta magsamok-samok diri sa LAPU-LAPU. So stay tuned lang kay magkaon-kaon na punta.